Hello, it's your man again. Boom, yo, yo, boop, boop. Thank you for joining me on Have Business Start Now TV. Listen, new podcast is out. Stop waiting for the right moment to pursue your dreams and your goals for your life. Stop waiting for the right moment to start pursuing your goals and dreams or your vision of success for your life. And of course, before I talk about that, let me just quickly thank the supporters of our family business, happybusiness.com, HABBYbusiness.com. Really appreciate the love and the support. But anyway, listen, stop waiting for the right moment. You know why? Because the right moment may never come. You might be watching this right now. You might be 10 years old, 20, 30, 50, even 90, 99 years old right now. I'm here to encourage you. Don't stop pursuing your goals, your dreams, your vision of success in your life. You know what? Because you might actually achieve them. Instead, I would say create the right moment by taking action in your life and making things happen. Waiting for the perfect moment that you're waiting for right now, or waiting for everything to fall into place, might actually just hold you back from achieving your dreams, your goals, your vision of success in your life. It's important that pursuing your dreams, it's important to understand that pursuing your dreams and your goals in your life may not always be easy. It may not always be convenient. There will always be obstacles and challenges when you're trying to achieve your goals and your dreams for your life. And if you keep waiting for the right moment for things to fall into place, you may end up waiting forever. So keep pursuing your dreams, keep pursuing your goals. Take the first steps towards your dreams, no matter how small they may be. Start by setting goals, making a plan, taking action. Even if you don't dedicate all your time and resources, it's about taking the small steps towards your dreams and your goals consistently, and you will find that eventually you get closer to achieving your goals and your vision of success and your dreams in your life. That's what it's about. It's about the small steps. Remember that progress is more important than perfection. It's better to start imperfectly than never to start at all. Embrace the journey and be willing to learn and grow along the way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all, providing you learn from those mistakes. Every successful person makes mistakes. Every successful person goes through failures, challenges and obstacles. Don't be afraid, for facing setbacks in your life, as they're part of the process. Any person that you look up to who's been successful will always tell you that. Surround yourself with supportive and like-minded people or individuals that might encourage you and inspire you to be the best version of yourself, to achieve your dreams and the goals in your life. Seek out mentors or join communities, if you like, that align with your dreams and aspirations. Have a strong support system to make a significant difference, that will help make a significant difference in your journey towards achieving your dreams. Don't wait for the right moment to achieve your dreams and the goals and your vision of success in your life. Take action, create opportunities, and embrace the journey. Remember that by starting now, you are already one step closer to achieving your reality, your vision of success, your dreams and your goals in your life. So stop waiting for that right moment, because it may never come. But you can get closer or even achieve your vision of success by taking small steps now. So go out there and be great, like Bim Yayo. Thank you so much for the love and support.